Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today on the menu is braised short ribs. Here we have just about 3 pounds of bone-in short ribs, and we're going to season lightly with some salt and black pepper. Now, over medium-high heat, we're adding 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, and we're going to sear the short rib on all sides. After your short rib is seared on all sides, we're going to go ahead and remove it from the Dutch oven and set aside. Now we're adding 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, some chopped onions, chopped shallot, and garlic. We're going to saute this until it's translucent. Now's the time to add your beef stock. Sea salt, and red wine. Now let's add our beef back to the pot. We can go ahead and flip the meat side down to soak up all that juicy flavor when we get it into the oven. We throw in our herbs. We got thyme, rosemary, sage, and bay leaf. Make sure those are submerged. Now we cover, put it in our oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 hours. Three hours later, we have our juicy, tender, flavorful braised beef short rib. There you have it, guys.